Nika with Fashionika. Happy New Year, new me, new us. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a review on Smile Direct Club. If you don't know what Smile Direct Club is by now, I've kind of been raving about it. It's basically invisible aligners for your teeth, so they're braces. And honestly, let me start off by saying I have always been insecure about my teeth. I'm going to share something with you guys that I've never really shared with people, but when I was 10 years old, I loved like wiggling my teeth and like so I could get money from the tooth fairy. But I was such a curious child that I remember I had a loose tooth right here, right? And I remember I would play with it, kind of bending it. It was gross. I was curious to know what it would be like if it just kind of fell out on its own as opposed to me wiggling it, because I did that with all my teeth. Even though I had the urge to wiggle my tooth like that, I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't. I was just no, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm just gonna wait for it to fall out. And boy, that was such a bad mistake. Oh, regrets. No regrets. But I remember my parents were chasing me down the hall. They're like, you need to get that tooth out. It's gonna fall off. Literally, they were chasing me. I hid behind the couch where they couldn't fit so that they wouldn't get me. But I remember my mom would stretch out her hand you need to get it out. Yeah. And so then we ended up going to the dentist and the tooth literally just crumbled because it was way past the point where it needed to be out. Yeah, basically my tooth, because I waited so long for it to fall out, so now I have a tooth that's in the back, right here, and then everything else is in the front. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it was pushed back basically, and it was really obvious, and I didn't care. I did not care about my teeth. I was 10 years old. I'm whatever. Yeah, that actually kind of affected me in high school because I was a little bit insecure about it, even into college. When Smile Direct asked to collaborate with me, I was more than happy to try them out because why not, right? It's invisible aligners. I'm 24 years old, so I don't know. I just thought it was time to really fix my teeth, and I've heard a lot of really good reviews on this company. I'm gonna give you guys the process, my review, all that fun stuff, so let's just keep watching. So the process was super simple. They literally sent out this package with clay and teeth trays. So basically you mold your teeth together with the clay and then put it in your mouth for a minute and then do the same thing over and over again. So you'll have a total, I believe, of 4, 2 tops and 2 bottoms, and it was so easy. It took maybe 20 minutes to do. You send it back to Smile Direct and an orthodontist looks at it and basically tells you if you're eligible for the program. Thankfully, they said, congratulations, you've been accepted into the program. So I was really stoked about that. And after that, they just basically send you aligners. I got all my liners for the entire program. I know that they do a month by month send too. I think it's just based on how you want to pay for it and everything. All my liners, it's half full now because I'm halfway done. They send you these aligners, so if you can see, this says, oh my gosh, I wish I had autofocus on this thing. As you can see, it says month 4 of 6. Right now I'm on month 3, and they send you 3 aligners per month. So every week you have to change, and then the very last aligner you have to wear for 2 weeks. So there's a whole bag of little teeth here. It's great. It's great. They send you little case for when you have to take out your teeth, because you do have to take out your aligners when you're eating or drinking coffee or tea or something, because they don't stain. It's still so easy. I can't even tell you, the maintenance of this is way easier than braces. They even also send you this whitening kit. I haven't used it yet. I'm saving it for when I'm on month 6, so then I can just smile with my pearly whites. And then after that, they send you a retainer when you're all complete with the program. I haven't gotten the retainer yet since I'm not done yet. Okay, so these are my thoughts on Smile Direct. I love it. I mean, as it wasn't as obvious enough, I feel so much more confident when I'm speaking to someone. I feel this is internal, but whenever I was speaking with someone, I always felt they were looking at my teeth, and that's just not a good way of thinking, because when I'm holding a conversation, I want to really be into the conversation and focus on what they're saying as opposed to what they're thinking about me. And I'm always smiling. I mean, I've always just smiled no matter what, but now I'm just really always smiling with my teeth. So when I first put my like first pair of aligners on, I needed to get used to it because yeah, oh gosh, I remember that first week was hell for me because I was just like, oh my god, like how am I supposed to do this for 6 months? This is so uncomfortable. And I had a lisp. Oh my gosh, the first like 1 or 2 days you have like a lisp because it's so tight on your teeth. After like the 3rd day, it starts to loosen up because your teeth are like slowly moving. Yeah, I just remember like I had a lisp and it was so awkward because I was like talking to like strangers and everything, and like I feel like that was when people could tell like you had something in your mouth, but honestly it is not even obvious. People have to like really look to tell. Obviously, like if you look at your teeth, you can tell that there's something, like a little something, but it's not like incredibly obvious. I've had my friend come up to me and we would be talking for a good 30 minutes and then they'd be like, wait, are you wearing something on your teeth? And then I'd be like, yeah, they're invisible liners. So it's so cool. Whenever I eat, all you have to do is like take out your teeth. You can eat like whatever you want, but the key is you do have to brush your teeth as often as you can. They personally say brush your teeth right after you're done eating, but we all know that is not possible, especially if you're like out on a date or if you're like, I don't know, just out in general. Like, are you really gonna bring a toothbrush and toothpaste? Like, but they say that. They recommend it, but I don't do it. I know, I think that's bad, but it's okay. So do I recommend this? Absolutely. Absolutely. So I know that Invisalign is like one of their competitors, but girl, like when I was looking at the prices, SmileDirect is so much cheaper. Like so much cheaper. It's like half the price of Invisalign. So highly recommend. I do have a promo code actually. I'll leave it in the link down below if you want to try it out. I'm so freaking excited for month 6. I'm already like content with my teeth right now, like at this present moment, because it's already shifted my teeth and straightened it like a lot after 3 months. I'm going to show you guys a before and after of my teeth so far. Before is right here and after is here. I feel like I should at least show the aligner to show you guys what it looks like. Is it gross if I like take it out? Well, I'll just do it, whatever. Then you take out the you got a little bit of saliva in there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. They're all beautiful and saliva-y right now, but that's what you gotta do for the straight teeth, girl. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really hope you liked this video and my reviews, thoughts on SmileDirect. Again, link is in the bio if you are interested. I will see you guys in my next video really soon. I promise you, I am going to be making a crazy amount of videos in 2018, so you be ready and tell your friends to subscribe because much appreciated. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!